What's up, everybody? I got a package in the mail today. These are my new shadow lights. They are like little projectors, LEDs, that shine from the lights inside of your door panels to the ground to project a symbol of your liking on the ground. These are specifically putting mercedes-benz logos when you open the door. These come in a set of 2. They're real cheap. I think it was $19. Really good price. So like I said, I'll put a link in the description. And I know it's somewhere around 19, but it's real cheap. I had these in a different Mercedes and I loved it, so I decided I would share that with you when I do the new one. These are specifically plug and play. All you have to do is take out the old ones and pop these in and plug them in, and it's that simple, and then they just project on the ground. But then they still give you a somewhat factory look. As you can see, there is a little bulge here. I think you can see it where you're at right here, versus being flat like the old ones, but it's very minute and you won't really notice it. And they project really good on the ground in the dark. So let's take a trip outside, and I'm gonna show you real quick how you put these in. It's real simple and easy, and then we'll, by magic of video time, it'll just be dark, and then we'll show you what it looks like finished and projecting on the ground, and then you can decide for yourself if this $20 is really worth that modification. So let's get on out there. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get this little lens to pop off. I don't know if I can get it with the camera. Let's see. Okay, so when you reach inside, hopefully you can see there's a clip right there, and one on this side, but you just want to stick something in, screwdriver or whatever, and pry out. You might break it. Sometimes you can get it with 2 screwdrivers on the back side, but I'm not trying to touch the door panel. But you can pry these out and be able to kind of stick it in above it and pull, and it will come out. So let me get this out real quick, and then I'll show you what we got going on next. Alright, so after you get that off, there'll be a little pin, a little clip right here, this that you're going to push in and then pull off. So you're going to pull off the light, and a little piece that hooks in. Just see that connector? That connector will hook in the back side of this, and then it just pushes back in. So let me push it back in real quick, and then I'll show you it installed in. So it pretty much just pushes back in with those same clips, and then it'll clip itself in its place and it won't come back out. Alright, so after we got that plugged in, we literally, let me see if I can hold the door. No, hold the door and you just push it. There it goes in. Right now it's off because my lights turn off after so long, but make sure that you check that they work before pushing them in, otherwise you'll have a hard time getting them back out. And you wouldn't want to break the new ones. If you break the old ones, it's not as important. Alright, so let's skip and show you what they look like. Alright, so that is what it looks like, and as you can tell, it's not completely dark. We can even, it's sort of dusk, and you can still see it really good. So, if this is something you're interested in, I'll put a link in the description, and you can pick up a set of these for yourself. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some other great Mercedes videos, and as always, have a nice day. Peace.